Introduction of statistics. Statistics is related to collection of data, analysis of data, and interpretation of the data. Then let us see the origin of statistics. The word statistics is derived from Latin, German, and Italian words, which means political state. Since in early days, it is applied in government administration. During 435 BC, Roman administration took monthly census. It got another momentum due to the development of the theory of probability in 17th century. In olden days also data existed when human beings settled at different places. Their wealth in terms of sheep, cows, horses, donkeys, etc. is measured. They count it in mind, and later it was recorded and got good momentum due to the establishment of kingdom and monarchs. In early days, people counted their wealth in different periods and analyzed whether their wealth increased or not, and established the reasons for it. There it starts the analysis. Meaning of statistics. Statistics means data, that is number, and in broader sense it is a collection, tabulation and analysis of data with some statistical tools to draw conclusion or inference and generalizations. Example, studying about the income in a locality. Statistics may be defined like statistics as a numerical data and statistics as methods. Now let us study about the definition of statistics in terms of numerical data. There are many definitions of statistics in this respect. They all stated that statistics means numerical data. Data may be of quantitative nature like income, expenses, marks, production, etc. and qualitative nature like skill, behavior, likes, etc. became statistics when it is expressed in quantitative terms only. Qualitative nature of data should be quantified, then only statistics can be done. Now let us know the definition of statistics in terms of methods. Croxton and Cowden have given a good definition, and according to them, statistics may be defined as collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, and interpretation of data. Now let us study about the statistical investigation, otherwise known as statistical inquiry. It means inquiry about some problem with the help of statistical methods. Normally, it's conducted by governments. Statistical Organization of India conducts inquiry about various problems related to population, income, expenses, agriculture, industry, etc. Governments of various countries have a lot of departments to conduct the inquiry related to various problems. The researchers and organization may also conduct statistical inquiry for the purpose of Ph.D. thesis, solution for problem, and to know the status of a particular phenomenon. Now let us know the different stages or steps in statistical investigation. There are 6 different stages. They are planning the inquiry, collection of data, organization of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, and interpretation of data. First one is planning the inquiry, that is deciding in advance about the objective and scope of the investigation. This should be done before going into the collection of data. Second one is the collection of data. It may be through primary sources or secondary sources. The respondents should also be known. That is a total number of respondents in case one is going to conduct the inquiry through primary data. Then third one is organization of data. It means editing, arrangement, and classification of data. Editing means eliminating the unnecessary data. Fourth one is presentation of data. Data may be presented in the form of tables and in the form of diagrams and graphs. Tables may be represented with necessary rows and columns. It helps for the easy understanding of the data. Fifth one is analysis of data. It is conducted on the basis of various statistical methods like average, dispersion, correlation, regression, time series, I-square test, ANOVA test, SEM, Z-test, T-test, etc. Sixth one is interpretation of data. It means drawing conclusion, inferences, and generalization about the population. That is the area under the study. That generalization means about the average marks of students in a college, then average income of individuals in a locality, and the character of individuals in a locality, and the attitude of consumers in the buying habits, etc. Now let us study about the functions of statistics. Functions of statistics may be studied as presentation of facts in proper form, simplification of unwidely and complex data, comparison of data, enlargement of individuals' experience, formulation of policies, testing of hypotheses, and measurement of the trend behavior. Now let us see all one by one. First one is presentation of facts in a proper form. Facts need to be presented in quantitative term. If marks of a students in a college is presented in statement form, it is difficult to understand its characteristics. If presented in the form of average marks, it gives more idea and understanding. Qualitative characters should also be presented in number. Then second one is simplification of unwidely and complex data. If data is presented in raw form, it will not give a clear picture about the phenomenon. Hence, it should be organized in understandable form through tables, diagrams, mean, median, mode, etc. Then third one is comparison of data. It helps to compare the data of one period to another and with one organization or company with another to know the increase or decrease in performance so that suitable action may be taken. Fourth one is enlargement of individual's experience. It enlarges the knowledge and experience of those who are involved in statistics, that is data. Fifth one is formulation of policies. It helps for the formulation of policies for government, companies, social organizations through the techniques of correlation, regression, time series, dispersion, etc. Sixth one is the testing the hypothesis. Hypothesis is an important aspect in research. It means forecasting the result well in advance before conducting the analysis and study. It can be conducted through Z test, T test, ANOVA test, SEM test, etc. Then seventh one is the measurement of trend behavior. That is a projection of future with the help of past data as well as present data. The time series regression analysis help a lot in this respect. Now let us study about the scope of statistics. In olden days, it is limited with the collection of information for public administration. Now its scope is expanded in many fields due to the changes in all fields. It's most required for business, management, economics, banking, finance, and natural sciences like physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, etc. Now let us study all these one by one. First one is statistics in business. It helps for the measurement of performance, drawing policies to know demand and supply, about consumers, competition, etc. Second one is statistics in management. Management needs statistics for managerial decision making. It can be done through correlation, regression, time series analysis, etc. Third one is statistics in banking and finance. Banking and financial activities need to maintain data related to deposits and loans. Statistics help to analyze the trend in deposits and loans over a period of time, and thereby performance over a period can be known. Fourth one is statistics in natural science. Natural sciences like physics, chemistry, zoology, and botany need statistical applications in various fields. They are like the analysis about mass, rainfall, climate, chemicals, pollution, animals, birds, plants, trees, etc. Now let us study about the advantages and limitations of statistics. First, advantages of statistics. The advantages of statistics are like providing techniques for maintenance of data, managerial decision making, collection and analysis of data, performance measurement, making policies. Then limitations of statistics. It will not deal with the qualitative phenomenon. It needs series of figures for calculations. Gives only approximate value. As a result, data must be uniform one. Only experienced and efficient persons can do statistics very effectively. Now let us study an important aspect, that is statistical method and experimental method. In olden days, people acquired knowledge through perception and intuition. It was a matter of chance But at present, people acquire knowledge by scientific methods rather than a matter of chance. There are two methods for acquiring and enlarging knowledge. They are experimental method and statistical method. In experimental method, knowledge is acquired through observation or experiment. Causes and effect relationship are studied for acquiring knowledge in experimental method. In statistical method, knowledge is acquired through comparative performance from one period to another and for one company to another, etc. Thank you.